Today's video is on how we can set up email and SMS reminders for your business. So if you haven't already, take a look at how to create email and SMS templates because that's a prerequisite for doing this. But once you've set up your email templates and reminders, SMS templates that you want to use, this is how you can set it up for your entire business. So to set this up, we want to tell the system a few things. We want to tell them which email template or SMS template we want to send out and when we want to send them out. So to do that, we go up to our top right cog in the settings, and we're going to go to company settings, and we're going to go down to module. Okay, and in our module settings, we have our dietitian module settings here. And we've got SMS, send SMS reminder, and it's currently set to yes. So I know that it will automatically send SMSs out based on the template I'm going to use. However, we don't have an email template, a template set up. So by default, this probably won't send out any SMSs or any email at all. So the first thing we want to do is we want to set this to yes if you want to send SMSs out. If you don't want to use SMSs, simply just click no. Okay, so we're going to send this out one day beforehand, and we're going to go and choose our SMS template here, and we're going to make this one active. Now, if we wanted to send 2 SMSs out, let's go ahead and we'll send this one out 2 days before the appointment, and we'll choose a different binder. Hypothetically there, we'll make this active, and we can click save. Okay, and it's just saving all the data into the system, and it's exactly the same process for emails. So you might want to send an email reminder out 3 days before an appointment, another one day before the appointment, and you might actually want to send one out 1 day after an appointment as well. So you do this all the way through. So we'll click on SMS, we'll send out our template, and we'll click save. And we can see that all 3 are active. At any stage, you don't want to lose these settings, but you just want to turn something off for a reason. You can inactivate it by ticking here, or you can simply remove a template that's going to send out. So that's going to apply for all your appointments. Now, one thing that I want to show you is perhaps you don't want to send out reminders to a specific appointment. If you go to an appointment, you can scroll down and you've got these 2 notification settings, and it says do not send SMS reminder and do not send email reminder. So you can simply tick those checkboxes and override the company settings for a specific appointment. All right, that's how we set up email and SMS reminders. Thank you very much.